Good morning, Panthers. It's Monday, March 15th, 2021. Hope everybody had a nice weekend. You guys got to enjoy the awesome sunshine that we had this weekend. I have an exciting week ahead. Today on our must-do list, first I want to share with you guys some great news about the ST Math March Madness Tournament. If you click on this link, you'll see that our class once again has advanced. We beat Miss Hanton's class. Miss Hanton's class, I think, had around 140 puzzles completed, but we had 154, so we advance. Awesome work. This week we're facing off against Miss Kinsey's class. All right. And what I'd like to do to start our day off is have everyone right off the bat go into ST Math and knock out 30 minutes of puzzles. That has worked the last 2 weeks, getting us set up to do well in the tournament. So I'd like to continue that process, that routine today. So that's how we're going to start off the day. The link for Clever's right here. So you want to take your first 30 minutes today, go back into ST Math, find an objective that you can work well at, and complete as many puzzles as you can before your timer goes off. Second thing we're going to do as a whole class is we're going to finish reading What's His Face. That should take us about 20 minutes. I think we have a short chapter and just the epilogue left. So we'll finish that together today. After we're done with that, I have a practice reading assignment in here. We are getting closer to our Horizon practice assessments and also our SOL practice assessments. So I picked a reading passage that is connected with what we're going to be learning and what you started to learn about last Thursday and Friday with the reform movements. This reading is on women's suffrage. Please read that carefully and answer the questions that go along with it. Make sure you submit that today. The fourth bullet is for you to go to your poetry anthology slide and make sure you have your fourth poem linked up. Okay? So if you've been writing one poem a week, you should have 5 poems. Everybody started off with 4 post-it notes. You want to make sure you have your 4 poems linked up. Some people already have their 4 poems done. That's excellent. Make sure that you have a poem that closely matches the rubric that is linked here on our daily slides. Okay, because this is what we're going to be using to grade your poems. And this week in language arts, we're going to ask every single student to share one of the poems that they read with us, the one you're most proud of, the one that is aligned to this rubric very well, so we can assess you for this poetry writing assignment. Looking forward to seeing what you've come up with and the additions and revisions that you've made to your poems. Fifth bullet is to go to the Apollo Word Study Calendar. Okay, that's right here. And you want to complete your day 1 word study assignment. This usually takes students about 25 to 30 minutes. You've got your word list here. You've got your word study assignment here. Please complete that and submit it. Remember, you have to get over 15 out of 20 for it to be marked completed or up to date with that work. Last thing is to sign out a book if you are coming back to school. So we are going to have some time, free time in the afternoons, and maybe if you've checked the weather, you'll probably notice that we won't really be able to go outside this week too much because the weather's not going to be very good. It's going to be cold and rainy several days this week. So I'm asking that you guys do sign out a book so we can have some silent reading time in school. Please do that today so that way Miss Mayrides will have time to get the book and put it in my mailbox so that I can give it to you when you return to school. The link to sign out books at our school library is right here. I will be meeting with my reading group today, Diana, Zalmar, Omar, Henry, Carlos, and Joel at 10 o'clock. And I will also be meeting with my math group, Henry, Karina, and Genesis, from 10:30 to 11. If you are coming to the school today to do your drive-through pictures, please take a minute to go into the school. You have to have a mask on. Go into the school. Right near the lobby, there's a box, a small cardboard box that says Talbot on it. And inside the box, I've put copies of the book Spy School That's the next book that we're going to be reading together as a class since we're finishing What's His Face today. I bought copies of Spy School for everybody. If you're coming to school, there's one on your desk, so you don't have to worry about it. And then there's also a reading guide, some short analysis questions that we're going to be doing together as a class as we read through the book. So you want to pick up both of these. Some of you may see in the box that your class t-shirt is still there. Some of you may also see in the box that I put math notes in there or anything else I thought you might need if you do come to school to pick things up. So take a moment if you're coming by for drive-through pictures to do that. Otherwise, I'll see you guys at our class meeting. I hope you have a great day. Take care.